Nong thau an ke NCP na gambe gre saleng e sangma uladawa jing tohkit da National Investigation Agency NIA halor ke jingshah thai bom IED house nam aja khapra kawalam saka jingyap kyrtong ke NCP na Williamnagar kuchunsi Jonathan sangma ya gani ke jingdawa la kersan ru do nong thau an ke NPP na Williamnagar Marcus and Marak kumon shupen kan ma bayo Jonathan la pynïap rengkat bat arngut ki bor para lembot nongnya kali hasawil gre is garo hills hakat pratri rumpang arja khapra kat baw dongwan phai na lap election haba keli benrap hakenta keli jingkeli ha kedor bar mang tingka badangnya chakmat ke ying dorbar fu ai gejela ka khat sau trik luper usaleng loong ba omdan menuru balawan chakmat ban sim jingkeli ya ke jingnor ti ban penthai bom IED hasawil gre haba jubab menteri bedikmi ya tanat kampoi yang keserkar jela uba lakmen rumboi loong ba katrat pulit kala register mukodma haki kendon ai per ke IPC bat ke jingtoket kala le deki bor pulit.
Sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Home Minister the start number 83, the answer 7, sir, at Sawalgre village, the incident 5 years back in 2018. Out here, nobody has claimed for the incident that has occurred. So I would like to ask the government if they can put up some kind of intelligence from the center, like NIA or maybe CBI, for this particular inquiry, Williamnagar incident. Answer number 7, sir. Nobody has claimed for the blasting of, killing of 5 members, one of the candidates for the Legislative Assembly. So is there any step by the government, to call for the better intelligence service within the state? Mr. Speaker, sir.
See, regarding this case on number 7, I have already explained that the Williamnagar police, the police have registered the case under this very section of the IPC and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and Section 5 of Police License Act, which investigation of this case by the police department is doing so. So, as of now, I think the police have done the job which they are supposed to do. But having said that, so as I said, that many of the status of this case are lying in some with some commission of inquiry and others. So I didn't want to go deep into details.
So, with regard to this Williamnagar bomb blast, so this was well before formation of this government. So it was during the general elections, which is why Williamnagar election was delayed and then held after 3 months. So in this particular bomb blast, one contesting candidate was killed, sir, and there are few members with him. So this is very serious, sir. I would like to urge Honorable Home Minister, if it can be initiated NIA inquiry, as has been mentioned by my colleague from Gambegri, Mr. Saleng, or else what is the status of the other investigation which was conducted on this particular blast? If Honorable Home Minister will be able to state this, I will be very happy, sir.
So the status of each blast I didn't have with me, but out of the 7 blasts,